Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both apps are installed and updated. You will need the Sticker Go app and Monopoly Go on the same device. Open Sticker Go first and sign into the same account you use for Monopoly Go so permissions align. Once signed in, locate the Share or Export option within Sticker Go. This is the gateway. Make sure the sticker set is selected, then tap Export to local images or to the app share sheet, because Monopoly Go only accepts images via the system share. Next, switch to Monopoly Go and enter the sticker creation or upload area. This varies by event but is usually under Profile or Events. Use the in-game Upload or Add Sticker button, then choose the system photo picker. Once the picker opens, select the exported sticker images from Sticker Go. Select one at a time if the game restricts batches. Make sure images meet size and format requirements. If necessary, edit or crop inside the phone's editor, because the game enforces transparency and dimension rules. Finally, confirm the upload and assign the sticker to its slot or collection. Press Save or Confirm and wait for the server acknowledgement. Once done, restart the app if the sticker does not appear immediately. That forces a refresh. If upload fails, check your network, clear app cache, and ensure both apps have storage permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: re-export the sticker as a PNG with transparent background and 1024 x 1024 or smaller. Monopoly Go often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.